Welcome back. In this video, we are explore one of the most important thing in React, JSX, and how React render elements on the page. JSX stands for JavaScript XML. It's let us write a HTML like a syntax inside a JavaScript. This is what makes React feel so familiar, even though we are still writing a JavaScript under the hood. Example, look like a HTML, right? But it's actually JavaScript. Here what happening? We are returning JSX from a function. React use this rendered content in a browser. It all gets compiled into JavaScript behind the scene. Few important rules when writing JSX. First, one parent element only. Wrap everything in a single div or use called a React fragment. Second, use a class name instead of class. Class is a reserved keyword in JavaScript. Third, set close empty tag, image. Some quick tips. Always return a single JSX element. Second, use a camel case for HTML attribute. Third, use a curly braces for JSX expression, not a statement.